time waiting for him to come around. Let's go ahead and remove the oxygen. I don't think he will make it alive. It's the truth, doctor.
Sorry, did I hear you right? Doctor, only the family has the right to have him unplugged. You can't make that decision.
Yes. Nurse Clara, but he's stressing us now, including the mom. That woman is old.
Well, the mother is the reason why we should leave him there plugged. That is her only child. He has a chance of survival and we must allow him fight for his life.
Nurse Clara, see, this thing is generational curse. The same thing happened to his father. His father was in coma 6 good months and at the end he did not make it.
Well, the father didn't make it doesn't mean the son will make it. I'm sorry. Doctor, you can't. You cannot unplug him without the family consent. I thought you were his friend.
Yes, he's my childhood friend.
I'm beginning to doubt that friendship.
What do you mean by that?
Well, only the family has a right to say if he should be unplugged or left there.
I am part of the family. Doctor, I am part of the family. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying it now. The mother, they know me very well. Doctor, go ahead and move the oxygen.
Doctor,
this man will rest in peace.
Listen to him. My hands are tied. Calm down. You can't listen to him.
The more he's here, his bill is accumulating, and I'm going to pay the thing now. I don't have money to be paying for all these things now. Eh? Doctor, let's go ahead and move the oxygen.
If the man has a fighting chance, let's give him the chance to fight.
What were you doing with the man I caught you with yesterday?
What are you saying? Is someone trying to frame me up? I didn't do anything. I don't even know what you're talking about.
What is this?
Come here. What is this? You're cheating under my nose, Sovinta.
No.
Isn't it?
No. It's not what you think. I didn't.
It's not what I think. You're now baby, right? Huh? You're stammering now, right? Sovinta, it's a shame that I saw you with my 2 eyes and you're denying it. You're lying to me.
Baby.
You're kissing the guy, romancing him in public. I saw you with my 2 eyes, following him right deep into his house. Only God knows what you went to do there. You went to fuck him, right?
No! I didn't. Nothing like that ever happened. I didn't sleep with him or anyone. Babe, I'm sorry. Please.
I did everything for you. Everything a man could do for a woman. Everybody wanted me. My family wanted me. They told me not to go close to you, but I defended you. I stood by you. So you want to disgrace me in public? Huh? I've done everything for you. Everything a man could do for a woman, I did it for you. There's a saying that goes, a pig will always remain a pig. No matter what you do to clean that pig, it will remain in the gutter.
No. I'm sorry. Babe, please forgive me. It will never happen again.
I'm going out now. When I'm back, I don't want to see you here.
No, I'm sorry.
Go out of my house before I come back.
You can't do that to me. I'm sorry. I would never cheat on you.
Let me not see you when I'm back. You won't like me.
Babe, listen.
I've told you.
Babe, I am sorry. Don't do that. Please, don't do. You didn't have to listen to me. I don't. Yes. Oh, goodness. What have I done?
My life is literally falling apart. I've been driving around a circle for the past 30 minutes. I don't even know where I'm even driving to. Oh God, what did I ever do to Juvinta to deserve what I got from her? If a soothsayer had told me Juvinta would do this to me, I wouldn't have believed. She hit me so hard below the belt. To think she cheated on me with a good-for-nothing boy who does nothing in this but sleep with anything under the skirt.
Jesse, my son. God, I hope nothing has happened to him. He's all I've got. Jesse, I hope you are okay in the city. Hey, Chimo. Jesse, no. My hands are shaking, God.
I just shot myself on the leg. I am sure this is the handwork of the witches in my family. Cloud9. Cloud9 has finished me. I am finished. I'm dead. What have I done? What have I done? So this is how I've lost everything. My relationship. Jason. Cloud9. What am I even doing with Cloud9? God. Babe. Babe.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you think you've been on this all day?
Babe, I need to finish this, okay? It's piling up. I need to send emails so I can get response as fast as possible.
I know, but this can wait. Don't you think you're stressing life so much out of you?
Babe, at least you should have allowed me to finish this, please.
I know, but I'm sorry. Huh?
You're such a bad girl.
I know, and that's why you love me. Oh, you're crazy. Oh! Babe. Babe.
What is it?
Don't you think you need to top up?
What do you mean top up?
Your sexual performance is 0.
Beg your pardon? You said we should make love. Made love to you twice now. Do you want to kill me?
No. You succeeded in doing nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Really?
Yes. Okay, let me ask this. Why is it so difficult for you to get me up fair? Take me to cloud 9. Is it too much for you to do?
Juvent, what I did is what I could do. I can't do more than what I did.
No, you're not getting it, You're forgetting to do the first thing first. That's it.
What's the first thing?
You're supposed to do the first thing first before hitting me. But instead, you keep hitting me.
What's the problem?
Fine. Since you don't know, I am going to lecture you. You're supposed to, kiss me all around. Kiss me all around my neck, my cheek, everywhere. Caress me. You go down here. Use your finger. You touch me. You make me mourn. You take me up there. Before you know it, I'll get so wet. And everything will be so smooth. You keep smooshing me. You touch me. You hold me like, you want to choke me. Hello?
Baby. Baby. Wake up. Wake up.
Hey.
Yes, I got your food, okay?
Good morning.
Good morning, darling. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. I got a breakfast, wake up.
Oh, babe, breakfast in bed.
Yes.
Haven't even brushed.
It's okay. I'm the one that kissed you last, so it's fine.
Oh, thank you.
You will love it.
Sure.
Yeah. I need to run downstairs now to go and continue the dishes, okay?
Thank you.
Stop thanking me. Yeah. See you soon.
Thank you, babe. He's nice though, but he has only one problem, which is poor performance in bed. Hey.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you for what? I told you should stop thanking me. I'm your husband, okay? It's my responsibility to take very good care of you.
I like that. Well, I'm thankful to God for giving me a man like you.
Okay. Babe, look. I love you. And I thank God today you made me set my eyes on you. I really appreciate that, okay? And I promise you, we'll always take very good care of you.
I love you more. I'll love you for the rest of my life.
Thank you. I need to finish this, okay?
First of all, why not take me upstairs and before all of this, then we can come back to this.
Babe, let me watch this.
No way, let's go, babe.
Are you sure you're ready for me tonight?
Why not?
This morning?
Babe, let's go.
What can I have in the kitchen?
You sure?
Yes.
I can bend over.
Oh, okay. Well, I can actually drop. Let me.
Come on, baby. Oh, babe.
Babe.
Remember how I taught you, right?
Yes.
Did I follow every step?
Okay. Okay.
Babe, no. It's not about taking off the clothes.
So what should I start with?
Oh, babe, come and eat me. Everything. You know, choke me, kiss me, arrest me, all of that. Babe, stop dwelling the moment.
It's a gradual process.
Really?
Yes.
Is this how we're going to continue? We're getting married. Babe, please.
I will learn with time, okay?
There's no time for that. Come and eat me, you know. I like it hard. Come.
You like it hard?
Yes.
Please, I'm not used to doing it hard, okay? The way I'm used to is to take very good care of a woman, you know, handle her maturely, softly, yeah.
No, I don't want it like that, okay? I like my man hitting me hard, back to back, hard. Dig me, hit me, baby. Treat me like a man that you are. Give it to me, babe. Come on, hard. Come and eat me up. Babe, you don't want to eat this? What have I done? What do I do? Jason has been a good man. All he did was to see me happy. He lavishes money on me. He loves me genuinely. What am I even doing? Why did I have to go to that guy? Why? Goodness. Why do I even have to listen to Deborah? Why do I even have to listen to her jobless boyfriend? What am I doing with Cloud 9? I've lost Jason. My own man. My own man. Who sent me? Who sent me? Who sent me?
This young man is going to die if something is not done urgently.
What did we do, doctor?
He lost a lot of blood in the accident and we can't find a match. I mean, we can't get in contact with any of his family members.
I saw his chart. But doctor, if it's fine with the facility, I can donate for him.
What?
I can be a donor. I'm AA and O positive.
Nurse Clara, you don't know this man from Adam.
We're called to serve, doctor. To save lives. I just want to help.
Nurse Clara, you mean you want to give your blood to a total stranger?
Doesn't matter, doctor. If that will help, why not?
If you insist, you know what to do.
Yes, sir. I do.
Please.
Thank you.
Auntie Cloud9, you still there here? You still did this building? I say by now you supposed don't go. Because I did my cabal, they hear you. When you and Oga, they argue, they shout. By now you supposed don't come out. Go.
Do you want to be unfortunate this afternoon?
My grandma you dey speak. You too like big English. You too like big English. The end point is make you dey go. On they go. Oga say he don't want you.
You're stupid. I can see you want to lose your job. You know, you feel you can talk to me anyhow because I'm having a minor misunderstanding with my man. I'll deal with you when this is over.
Now you don't lose, Oga. I don't lose my job, nobody employ me, but you don't lose the man where you dey follow. Because of Cloud9. On they go.
Hey, babe. How far now? How far that your little guy? Why are you mute? I thought you and Leonard went there. Eh? What really happened? How was your experience? Like, tell me now. Remember I told you that Leonard guy is very good at what he does. He's a pro. I know you enjoyed yourself. Jovita, why are you speechless? Are you okay? What happened? Did anything go wrong?
Yes. Everything went wrong. All thanks to you.
Why are you yelling? Was it that bad?
Absolutely bad. That Leo guy has cost me my relationship. Your stupid idea cost me my relationship.
Me?
Your foolish matchmake has cost me my joy. Did you know I'm the stupid one to have listened to you?
How? How am I the cause of your breakup with that 1 minute man?
Excuse me? Jason is not a 1 minute man.
Oh, really? So Jason is no longer a 1 minute man? After I shared my bad experience with you about Cain and how it takes me to Cloud9, you were literally begging me to hook you up with his friend. Even when you had a rich boyfriend, a businessman, you now have a very large conglomerate. And I did as a good friend. You told me that you wanted to feel how a man takes you up there.
You're just a terrible friend. I regret ever relating to you. I regret ever making you my friend.
What are you regretting? After enjoying his plus size alone, you're here blabbing rubbish. Of course. You told me everything. You told me how you were begging him after he had had you for 5 good times. Rubbish.
Doctor, where's my friend?
He's inside.
He's inside. Doctor, I want to see him.
No. You can't see him. You can't see him. You can't see him now.
Why?
He's even unconscious as we speak. He's in coma right now.
Coma?
Yes.
Jesus. Please, doctor.
Shouting.
What are his chances?
Looking at his condition, 50-50.
50-50.
Shouting.
Hey, Jesus. Doctor, please. You have to do anything in your power to save his life.
Okay.
He's the only child of his mother.
Okay, it's okay.
Eh?
We'll do our best.
Okay.
But I want you to know that we cure what God heals.
Okay.
All right? Please, okay? Just calm down. No problem.
50-50. 50-50, man. She don't be... The guy don't die now.
I don't know how I'm feeling. God, please help me. Nothing should happen to my son. He's all I've got. His refusal to come home and get married is giving me a cause to worry. I got him a very good girl from a very good background. But he has refused to come and see her and at least perform the marital rites. Jesse. calling you. Hello?
Hello, ma.
Who is this?
Ma, it's Samuel, ma.
Sammy. Sammy from where?
Ma, Samuel, Jesse's friend.
Hey! Sammy, hi. Hello, how are you? Sammy, tell me nothing has happened to my son.
I'm afraid not, ma.
What do you mean by you are afraid not? Is Jason okay?
Ma, Jesse had an accident.
Hey! I said this God, oh. Don't tell me he's dead.
No, ma, your son is not dead. But he's in critical condition. As I speak to you now, your son is in coma.
Hey! Chimebomo! Chimebomo, I said it, that this sign is not a good one. I said it. Coma. Hi! Chimiko! This coma that his father went into and never wake up. Hey! You're finished. Jason! Hey!
Casino.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
I hope all is well.
Yes. I just called his mother.
That's some good news. How is she taking this?
I just told her what happened, but she's on her way.
You all need to be strong for him.
Yeah. I just pray history does not repeat itself.
How?
His father had an accident, went into coma, never wake up.
How sad.
Yeah.
Is he married?
No, he's not. But he has a fiancée.
He does?
Yes.
Why isn't she here? Haven't you told her about his state?
No. I believe she's the cause he is in this condition.
I don't understand.
God. Why, Jesse? Why? Why, God? Why, Jesse?
Babe. Hey, babe.
Babe. I didn't know you were around.
I heard you coming. How are you?
I'm good. I didn't know you were around. When did you come?
This afternoon. I came in this afternoon. Are you okay?
I told him. I warned him.
Babe, what happened to Jason? Babe.
Jesse's lying down in intensive care.
What?
Yes, and he's unconscious.
No! What happened to him?
He had an auto crash. As we speak, my friend is in coma.
What?
On life support machine.
Oh my God! Wow, Jason, no! That cute guy. Oh no, Jason can't waste. No, God, no. Please, don't let this happen to him, Lord. Jason! Oh God!
Who think on they keep Oga Jason? Him no be the type of person when they come back late. This man a responsible man. Which kind of thing come be this? Since when he come out, he never come back rich now. I make a call him for phone, make I know where he dey. Call him. Which one come be switched off again? Oga Jason no be the type of person wey be him phone supposed to dey off. Because he get solar for house, he dey charge him phone full battery every day. He just waka vex, comot yesterday, till now he never come back. Which kind of thing come be this? Since when man come out, Nanti Cloud9 cause him. As he first come out here, he never come back, reach now.
His number is not connected. Could he have switched off his phone because of me? Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yes, hello. Good evening. Yes. Oh, who are you, please? Doctor, Jason is my man. Accident. Okay, you said, where is he? St. Charles Hospital, right? Hello, Doc. Hello. Can you hear me? Oh, he hung up. Babe, I'm sorry. I know I caused this. I'm so sorry. Jay, I'm sorry. My love. What have I done? This is it. Oh. Babe, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry.
Are you sure these people really want me?
Babe, how far?
Debbie, something terrible has happened. All thanks to you.
What happened?
Jason just had an accident. He's in coma at the intensive care unit as we speak.
What?
Because this.
Babe, see, stop acting childish and send me the address of the hospital where he was admitted. Jovita, where are you now? Hello? Jovita? Hello? Yay!
Babe. Why are you awake? Why are you being so hard on yourself? You're supposed to be sleeping. Why are you awake?
Cindy, can you hear yourself? I should sleep? Huh? When my friend is at the verge of losing his life?
Don't worry, nothing will happen to Jason, okay? He's just in coma. He'll be out of it very soon.
No, I can't. I can't sleep. I can't.
Baby, you need to come and sleep tomorrow so you can go and see him tomorrow, okay?
I blame him for all this.
What are you blaming him for? Who are you to judge? This kind of thing can happen to anyone. So stop.
I warned him. I warned him about this Jovita of a girl. Can you imagine? Look at where his love for her has landed him to.
Babe, you don't have to blame anyone right now at this point. Stop it. You're too worried for nothing. Come and sleep. Come to bed. You're just being worried. Come and sleep.
How is he? He's okay.
Nurse, how can he be lying? I'm his mother. Does he look okay to you?
God will come through for him. You just have to calm down.
Amen. Amen.
Listen, all you have to do is have faith. Your son will be fine. He'll live and not die, okay?
No, Zeme. No, Zeme, my only child. My only son.
Don't worry. God will come through for you. Excuse me.
Simon.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Nice. My organ no deal. Since yesterday when he come out, he never come back. Reach now.
I know. Your guy had an accident.
Accident?
Yes.
Hey! Chineke! I talk am. That auntie Jovita, wey be Cloud9 auntie, I talk I say she go kill my oga. As my oga first one yesterday come out, he no come back reach now. I talk I say she go kill my oga.
Ekwe, I did not say your guy is dead. Yes.
My oga never die?
Yes, he had an accident and he was admitted.
Okay.
So I came to pick one or two things.
For inside?
Yes.
But nobody, they only me there.
I know.
Okay. Only you want go?
Yes. Stay there away from your phone.
What is still they keep Oga Sammy for inside this house? Eh? It don't reach more than 30 minutes where this man enter inside this house. I bet he's saying a food he won't cook for my Oga. I've been a clothes, he won't carry clothes, go give my hospital. He don't today for there. He don't today for there. He don't today. Make I go observe what they do. I don't see where the food will go and cook for Oga.
Cook? How?
As you enter inside, you can't waste time. Dey plenty time. So I think say, na food you want cook, make you carry go give my oga for hospital one day.
I don't understand. Are you expecting me to go inside your gas kitchen and cook for him? As in what?
You know, sir, as you waste time for inside, so me, I think say na food you want go cook, go give him for hospital. Yes.
Ekwe.
Sir?
Stop thinking. Open the gate.
Okay, sir. Oga Sami, which hospital where they are doing my oga? Which hospital where they?
St. Charles Hospital.
St. Charles?
Yes.
Okay.
And Ekwe.
Okay.
I want you to know you're the only one in the house. And your guy is in the hospital.
Yes, sir.
I want you to take good care of his house.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
And I'm work with that. Nothing I do.
Good.
Nothing I do.
What is it?
I bet you say go cook even those in a rice. Me carry give on that for hospital.
Open the gate for me. Open the gate.
Okay, sir.
I knew you were going to be here peeping at your son again. I brought you food. Eat something.
Oscar, I don't want to eat. How can I open my mouth and eat when my son is lying critically in the ICU?
Your son will be fine by God's grace. You have to eat something. Please. So that you can be strong for your son when he gets up. Come and sit down and eat.
Madam Victoria.
Doctor.
How are you doing?
I'm not fine, doctor. Please do something. I just want my son to talk, please.
You know, your son's case is a critical one. But we are hoping for him to come around soon, okay?
Hopefully. And God will do it.
Okay?
Come and eat something.
It's okay. Just...
Come and sit down and eat something.
I have to take my chances. Yes. I know he will never survive that accident. He will never. Man, looking at his critical condition on the bed, man, automatically he's gone. Hey, how on earth will he survive that accident? How? Is that possible? The doctor is just deceiving himself, saying that he's in coma. Which coma? The same coma his father was in when he was alive. He did not survive it. How would this one be different? This is generational coma. He will never survive this. His father died in coma, and he is dying in coma too. And his brother again, all his family will die in coma. Why will he survive it? I need to do what I need to do. Take everything I need to take before it is late. Man, it's my opportunity. Let me grab it. Let me grab this opportunity and make use of it. That's it. Now we're there. Shit. Oh my God. Hey, I'm very tired right now. Babe, please help me with a glass of cool water, please. It's true, I forgot she left it this morning. Oh my God. Oh, finally. Yes. Yes, this is what I want. This is what I want. I said it. What's this? What is this? What's going on? What is this? Fuck you, man! What is this now? What am I... Oh, God. Why? I could have known this guy is very technical. What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me?
my goodness.
Hey, where do you think you're going to?
Excuse me?
I said, where do you think you're going to?
What sort of sick question is this? Please leave the way.
Leave this place. You're not welcome here.
You don't know what you're saying.
I said, leave this place!
Get out!
Leave!
That's my man in there!
Eh?
Yes!
It's not your man. Leave now.
Leave me alone.
I said, leave this place! What's wrong with you?
I'm not going anywhere! Leave me alone!
Leave this right now!
No, leave me alone!
I said, leave here!
Leave the way! What is happening here?
Doctor, tell this girl to leave here right now!
Doctor, tell him to stay off the way!
Easy, guys. Calm down, please.
Doctor, tell her to leave this place right now.
Doctor, tell him to leave the way. That's my man in there and I need to see him.
Doctor, this cheats. She's the reason my friend is lying down there. She's the reason why my friend is in this condition.
Calm down.
Tell her to leave or I'll push her out.
Doctor, tell this man to leave the way right now. That's my man in there and I must see him.
Oh, he must be Jovita.
Yes, I'm Jovita, doctor. Yes.
Doctor.
Can you please...
Doctor! This girl, she's the reason my friend is lying down there. She's the reason my friend is in this condition. Tell her to leave her, I'll push her out myself.
Calm down.
Doctor, this girl, she's up to no good. Tell her to leave this place right now.
Oh, in that case, Jovita, our friend is not safe with you around here. Please, you have to leave.
That's a lie. Doc, don't tell me you're buying this cook and boast story. This guy is a shenanigan and do not take anything from him. I am not going anywhere. I am here to see my man and I must see him.
You will not see him. You will not see him.
Get out!
It's okay. Please, don't let me call security for you, please. Please, just leave, please. Please. Thank you. It's okay.
Doctor, why are we wasting time waiting for him to come around? Let's go ahead and remove the oxygen. I don't think he will make it alive.
It's the truth, doctor.
Sorry, did I hear you right? Doctor, only the family has the right to have him unplugged. You can't make that decision.
Yes. Nurse Clara, but he's stressing us now, including the mom. That woman is old.
Well, the mother is the reason why we should leave him there plugged. That is her only child. He has a chance of survival and we must allow him fight for his life.
Nurse Clara, see, this thing is generational curse. The same thing happened to his father. His father was in coma 6 good months and at the end he did not make it.
Well, the father didn't make it doesn't mean the son will make it. I'm sorry. Doctor, you can't. You cannot unplug him without the family consent. I thought you were his friend.
Yes, he's my childhood friend.
I'm beginning to doubt that friendship.
What do you mean by that?
Well, only the family has a right to say if he should be unplugged or left there.
I am part of the family. Doctor, I am part of the family. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying it now. The mother, they know me very well. Doctor, go ahead and move the oxygen.
Doctor,
this man will rest in peace.
To him.
My hands are tied. Calm down.
You can't listen to him.
The more he's here, his bill is accumulating, and I'm going to pay the thing now. I don't have money to do with paying for all these things now. Eh? Doctor, let's go ahead and move the oxygen.
If the man has a fighting chance, let's give him the chance to fight. Mama, really, I think you should just pray and leave it all in God's hands. Don't bother yourself so much. Take a seat and rest.
Miss Clara, my son has been lying in a coma for 3 months. His life is at standstill. And his work as general manager at Lufthansa Investments paused.
That's the more reason why you have to let God have his way. Just pray and I'm certain he'll be fine.
Yes. Any luck?
We're still where we are, hopefully.
Hey, Mom. I am not seeing the possibility of him making it alive or coming out of this coma.
What are you trying to say?
The doctor said the accident affected.
I'm sorry. Let me check up on the patient.
Okay.
Thank you.
The doctor said what?
The doctor said the accident affected his brain. That chances of him making it alive is low. But let's pray.
Sammy,
Ma?
I don't believe in the medical reports,
Yeah, me too.
the ghost reports. And let me tell you, my son will not die. And he will never suffer any brain damage. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. He will not die, but... That's...
No but.
Okay. I don't understand.
Why did you say that to her?
Because she needs to know the truth.
What truth?
The truth is that he's not coming back. That is the truth.
Why are you playing God over this guy's life? Why are you trying to play master over Jason's life?
I don't understand. Mascara, what is your interest? Huh?
I gave him blood because I believe it could be anyone. This could happen to you, me, anyone at all. Why are you hell-bent on the guy passing away or something? What is it about it?
I don't even understand. Is he the only patient in this hospital? Why you so... Why? What's your interest in him now?
How is this his fault? Why are you hell-bent on the young man dying?
It's his fault. His foolishness has kept him into this mess. Yes, and he wants to drag us. I can never be. He cannot drag me into this mess.
But nobody is holding you down here. You can leave if you want to. How is this his fault? How is it? What do you mean his foolishness?
Nurse Clara. He's foolishly in love with a cheat. Jovita is a cheat, and I told him, I warned him, but he wouldn't listen.
Reasons why you went to his house to look for his credit cards and his property documents?
Ekwe told you that?
No.
So how
I
did you know?
saw you.
You saw
You
me?
destroyed every single CCTV footage, so nobody will have any evidence.
I don't understand. How did you know?
Listen, whatever it is you are looking for in that house, I have hidden it far away from you. You will not see it.
I don't understand. How did you know his house? How did she know his house? No!
Babe, what happened?
It was a dream.
Tell me about it.
That was not Clara.
What about her?
Who is she? Was she actually the reason I could not find Jesse's credit cards and documents even when I turned that whole house upside down?
What's running through your mind?
Nothing. I'm trying to read meaning about a dream.
Okay. Scared me.
It's okay. I'm sorry. Let's go back to sleep. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, you're here already?
I'm still here. I thought you left.
I just said check up on him.
Oh,
I feel so bad for the mother.
poor woman. He's the only child.
Sad.
Seriously.
Let me go.
Okay. Nurse Clara, his hand just moved. His hand. Oh my God.
Doctor!
Okay. Doctor!
I think I have to sneak into that private world. Remove that oxygen myself and watch him die. Yes, Jason, I will make you pay for every single thing you did.
to me.
Yes, his eyes were open.
Okay. He's conscious.
He's conscious.
Yes. Let me call his best friend, Sammy.
And his mother. Okay.
Dr. George? Why is he calling me by this hour of night? Hello, doctor.
Hello, Mr. Sammy.
Doctor, why are you calling me by this hour of the night? Please don't tell me my friend is dead. Please, doctor. Jackson. Doctor, please. Don't tell me because Jackson cannot die because he... Hello?
No, not at all, not at all. Your friend is alive.
I don't understand. What are you saying? What do you mean God did it?
Matter of fact, there's jubilation in the hospital as we speak.
What?
Baby, what? What?
Huh?
What? What?
Jason.
What happened to Jason? Don't tell me he didn't make it alive. What happened to him?
He did. He's alive.
Oh my God.
He's alive.
Jackson is alive.
Yes.
Thank you, Jesus. Oh my God.
Yes, thank
Jackson
you,
is
Jesus.
alive. God, thank you. Thank you. Jackson is alive. God, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
I'm so happy.
Yes.
Jackson is alive.
Yes.
Oh my God. Wow. This can only be a miracle. Jason is alive. Baby.
Yeah?
Aren't you happy, baby?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Jason is alive.
Yes.
Oh my God. Let's celebrate, babe. Oh my God, Jason.
Yes.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Yes.
Thank you, Jesus. I'm so happy. Wow. Oh my God.
What?
How old are you?
35. Why?
Are you married or in a serious relationship?
None of the above.
I don't understand none of the above. So you don't have any guy in your life?
Well,
What is it?
Oh, no, nothing. Nothing. It's just memories.
Okay. Memories of?
I was married at 32 to the love of my life. And I lost him to the cold hands of death. He had asthma, had an attack and couldn't find his inhaler.
You were married?